If your site plan has been given to you as a hard copy and you are an architect, this video is for you. The first thing you need to understand is this: you don't need to start sketching manually. That's a waste of time, but there is a way much faster and accurate, which is inputting your survey data directly. Now let me show you how to do it. I'll be using ArchiCAD, which is my default software for architecture. Well, as you can see, this is a tentative site plan with a plot A, which is actually sketched out here completely. And instead of drawing this plot, you're going to move into copying these coordinates. Like I said, this is a tentative site plan. And we are going to zoom in exactly to the points. So here are the points of my plot: P1, P2, P3, P4 with these coordinates. We are going to transfer these coordinates into our software. And to do that properly, we are going to share our screen into two sections. And then on our desktop, we are going to right click, move to new, navigate down to text document, and we are going to open up a text document and we are going to place it on the left side of our screen. Well, we are going to enter the survey points into our text document, and to do that, we are going to type in the coordinates 63, 91, 36.27. We are going to move to our y-axis and type in 66, 39, 27.735. Probably you'll be having northern and eastern, so that's okay. This is very critical. If your survey coordinate hasn't provided the height of your project, you're going to enter 00. So probably I'm going to enter 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Equally, note one thing: ArchiCAD does not recognize full stops on survey coordinate. So we are going to move to this dot here and we are going to get rid of the full stop. And same here, we are going to get rid of the full stop. Then we'll notice that here are 9 digits, but here are 8. So we're just going to add 1 0 here to make it 9 digits. So I'm going to add in all the other data and make sure that they all have the same digits. For example, if there are 9 digits here, we need to see 9 digits on the next Y coordinate. So once I'm done inputting my survey data, I'm going to navigate to File and save the data. Now I'm going to open ArchiCAD, then move to File, down to Interoperability, place mesh from surveyor's data, and I'm going to move to desktop. We are going to use the new text document, click on open. I'm going to make sure that my surveyor units is set to millimeters because our initial setup in ArchiCAD is in millimeters, so I don't want the units to be confused. I'm going to click on OK, and I'll just place my surveyor data. You can take in documents, take on dimensions, or you can just verify the dimensions if they are exactly that on your surveyor's data. Here we have 21.214 and survey data we have 21 on this section. Once you input your survey data, you can now put your setbacks for your project and start doing your conception. If you're interested in one-on-one tutoring, you can get to me through my contact +237 670 398 075.